Smart must have left behind a map that shows where his stolen treasure is buried. And 3 different... Critter Cavern is filled with tap, move right by tap, and jump by tap, move right, and jump by tapping. Collecting glow. Oh, I love collecting glowworms.
Like many other cave animals, Tumbling Creek...
Oh, I love collecting glowworms. Oh, didn't see that one. Oops, sorry, little critter. Oh, I love... Oh, didn't see that one. Oops, sorry, little critter. This cave wolf spider has no eyes. Oops, sorry, little critter. Oh, didn't see that one. My little glowworm friend. Oh, didn't see that one. Oh, I love collecting glowworms. Didn't see that one. My little glowworm friend.
The Coleman cave beetle is only found in caves in Tennessee.
I really gotta watch where I'm going. I really gotta watch where I'm going. Oh, didn't see that one. Oops, sorry, little critter. My little glowworm friend. Cave salamanders spend their lives in dark caves. Congratulations, Cave Hunter! He made it through.
Hey, I really want to take...
West! North! East! South! Looks like you need to find... Whoopsie! 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 That's the wrong direction. Look at the compass. Daisy, go! Whoopsie! That's the wrong... Daisy, go! Whoopsie! 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 That's the wrong direction. Look at the compass and looks like we found the cave beetle. Let's photograph. Looks like you... Whoopsie! That's the wrong direction. Daisy, go north. Daisy, go. Can't hop there. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the cave crayfish. Let's photograph another critter. Looks like you need... Daisy, go east. Whoopsie, whoopsie, that's the wrong... Daisy, go south. Whoopsie, that's the wrong... Daisy, go east. Whoopsie, whoopsie, that's the wrong direction. Look at the compass. Looks like we found the cave shrimp. Let's photograph another critter. Looks like you need to find the... Whoopsie, that's the wrong... Daisy, go north. Daisy, go east. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the creek cave snail. We got another great photo. Let's do it again. Looks like you need to find the... Daisy, go... Daisy, whoopsie, whoopsie, that's the wrong... Daisy, go north. Daisy, go west. Whoopsie, that's the wrong... Daisy, go south. Whoopsie, whoopsie, that's the wrong direction. Look at the compass. It looks like we found the little brown bat. Let's photograph another critter. Looks like you need to find the... False. Whoopsie, 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 that's that's the wrong. Daisy, go west. Whoopsie, that's the wrong. Daisy, go west. Daisy, go north. Looks like we found the false scorpion.
Man, oh man, you really know your compass directions. We finished my photo album and we've earned a key to Bad Dog Bart's treasure vault. Sweet! That vault door needs 3 special keys.
Great work! All the special keys are in place. Now all we need to do is turn the handle.
Open sesame.
I smell toys. Oh no! There goes that really bad dog Bart! We've missed him again!
But we got the toys back. And look at our glowworm dance party. This makes me want to go back and collect more glowworms.
These glowworms really can't bust a move. Makes me want to join them.
Me too. Yay! Sweet!
Yippee! Let's shake it, baby!
Me too! Yay!
Let's dance!